Here is Dream by Wombo app, and if you tap on the premium in the top right, you will see here that now there is an option to generate images, your AI art with priority queue. So you can have faster generation times for your dreams. There is no estimated details, like how faster is that and all of it, but yeah, you can get $4.99 per month or $19.99 per year, so it's much cheaper if you select per year. There is no free trial, as you see, so that's basically what it is. And yeah, then you can just use priority queue, and then you can generate these images much faster. So if we for example try to do it right now, and try to create an image, you will see that it takes some time. It's not super slow. It's like, but if you are generating a lot of images, it can be a bit faster. So yep, that's how it works.